Hey guys, it's Katie Lendel here, and today I'm coming to you guys with some great news that Kartra has just announced. And it's going to be about a brand new way of how you can actually make money with Kartra. But before that, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, what I do on this channel is provide different tips, strategies, and methods on how you can build your own online business and how you can take your online business to the next level. So if you're interested in these type of videos, go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you as my YouTube subscriber here. So let's go ahead and dive into the topic here. What I'm going to do is basically go over all of the new things that Kartra has just released and just added to the platform. And one of those things is all about another way of how you can actually make money with Kartra. For those of you who don't know what Kartra is, I will actually go ahead and leave a link below this video so you can check it out and learn what exactly is Kartra. But I will also share with you guys, just a few things about it. So Kartra is basically a platform that you can run your online business from or with. So I have come across Kartra like over a year and a half ago, and I've been using it since then. I've switched all my business over to Kartra from ClickFunnels, GetResponse, and any other tools that I was using to run my online business. I switched everything over to Kartra, and now it's all under one login. It's all in one platform. I don't need to use like any other platform out there basically to run my online business. And I absolutely love Kartra. This is one of the things that I've always wanted, and I was always wondering like when it's going to be released. And I am so excited that I get to share it with you guys as well and help change your businesses for the better by providing you and sharing with you guys the tools that I'm using that are transforming my business and taking my business to the whole new level. Different things that you can do with Kartra is obviously you can create your own products, your digital products, and have your, have Kartra and have your digital products set up here and sell them, obviously. My communications is where you actually go and send out emails. So email marketing, anything that has to do with email marketing, with follow-up emails, with newsletters, with, anything to communicate with your list, with your leads, to build your list, you can use Kartra to do that. So pages is where you can build pages, funnels, anything you want to build out there that has to do with websites. You can build it with Kartra by using Kartra. Also the landing pages and my forms, that's obviously the forms go into the landing pages. So it's all connected and it's all in Kartra. You don't have to like integrate it with some other tool out there. So it's all together in Kartra. Also, if you want to do your membership sites, you can do your membership sites in Kartra, and they have an amazing membership site platform that I use, that I have my membership sites on, and I absolutely love it. You can also host videos here. You can create help desks and connect with your customers through your help desks, any amount of help desks that you need to create. For example, if you have a few different membership sites, you can create different help desks for those membership sites. My campaigns is where you can actually go and create a full-blown campaign, as well as you actually have access to a done-for-you campaigns. So if you're just starting out, you don't know what exactly to do and how to create a funnel, this would be an ideal for you. And also you can create your own campaigns that convert great, and you can actually share it with your team members, with your customers, and different things like that. My integrations, and these integrations are like PayPal or Stripe or anything like that you need to integrate with Kartra. Basically what I have integrated that I'm using, to process the money and everything, is PayPal and Stripe. Other than that, I'm using Kartra, for all of the other needs that I need to use for my online business. Kartra Academy is where you go learn about Kartra, exactly what it is, how to set stuff up, and different things like that. And we also have an affiliate platform where you can actually go and choose products to promote and promote affiliate products as well. So again, if you want to learn more about what it is, go ahead and check out the link below this video. I will also add my Kartra bonus page. So if you decide to purchase Kartra through my link, you can check out my bonus page. I've got some cool bonuses for you guys who do decide to use Kartra as well. And if you decide to join through my link, you'll get access to the bonuses that I have for you guys here. So check all of that out below this video, and let's go over the new features and new things that Kartra has just added. So first of all, we have the animated effects for your Kartra pages. So basically, there's a video here that explains how to create an animated effect. For example, I just played around with my page, and I'll go ahead and show you really quick. This is my online business lounge, and when somebody lands here, this is what I have basically. I have a pop-up that pops up right here, and as you have probably noticed, the text right here, get 25% off, was flashing. So what you can do, you can basically add different kinds of animations to your pages, to your pop-ups as well, if you have those. So this is just a pop-up that I have, for those people who land on my page. And this is just one of my products that I have recently released. If you want to learn more about this product, you can definitely check out the link below as well. But basically what Kartra did is it created animated effects. So for example, if you want to animate your button, you can add the animation to the button. So the button either like flies in or pops up or blinks or flashes or whatever. So you can add different effects to whatever thing that you want to add it to on your page. I think that's an amazing feature that Kartra has added to the pages that we create. So another one is you can pick your checkout form color. So now you can actually pick a color. There's not just like one color that you use, but you can use different kinds of different colors for the checkout form or the checkout like a pop-up that we have here, or that Kartra is allowing us to do. So another one that I did want to mention is the page analytics by device type. So for example, we can actually see how many people, how many visitors we got from desktop, mobile, or other kinds of devices here. And we'll be able to see exactly, how many visitors came from where and what percentage of people are coming from where. So I think that's a very cool feature as well. Another new feature is this one that I wanted to actually mention to you guys in this video. It's the campaign marketplace. So when we go to campaigns and we go to marketplace there, we can actually create our own campaigns and we can actually sell them or give it away for free. There is an option that you can choose either to give away for free or to actually sell your campaign. Let's say you created a funnel or a full-blown campaign with a funnel and it converts really well. You can actually add it to the marketplace inside of Kartra, and you can sell this campaign. So people will be able to go ahead and purchase your campaign and basically match and edit everything to match their product and use it to sell their own product. So I think that's one of the cool things as well, and one of the ways for you guys to make, to be able to make and create an extra stream of income. You can simply, start creating campaigns, start testing them out, how they convert, and start selling them in the Kartra Marketplace. So I think that's an incredible opportunity for all of us who are using Kartra. If you're not using Kartra yet, I would highly suggest you to check it out. Go ahead and check out the link below this video to learn more. And you can actually start and test it out for just $1. So at the time of me recording this video, you can start for just $1. See if you like it for your business, if you want to move your business over to Kartra, or if you want to start your online business if you have not started yet. It's definitely a great platform to start building your online business with. So that's an amazing feature that I love. It actually shows you where you can choose, if you want this campaign to be free or if you want it to be paid. So that's about it for this video. That's all I wanted to share with you guys. Just incredible new features that Kartra has been adding to its platform. And I absolutely love every single feature that they are adding. And the cool thing is that they keep adding new features all the time. And even though it's already a solid platform that you can take and just use it to build a successful online business, but they keep adding more and more features that are absolutely going to transform so many marketers' businesses and change so many lives with this platform. I believe in it 100%, and I am pretty sure you are going to love it as well if you check it out, if you test it out and start using it for your business. All right, that's all for this video. Just want to bring those up to you guys and share an incredible opportunity where you can actually create your own campaigns and sell them to other Kartra members inside of Kartra. All right, go ahead and check out the links below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye bye, blessings.